Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T10 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, of course, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's pick this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on this icon right in the middle. And as you can see, your device will give you the opportunity to either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Hello. Right now we can find the photo we would like to use. Okay, and from this step we can change the position of the photo, kind of. We can zoom it in or out. We can also make this highlighted square smaller or bigger, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. You can rotate the picture also, it's up to you, and if you're ready, just tap on save copy. As you can see, the photo will be applied, but remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact looks like. You will be able to see this photo also, for example, on the contact list. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your DOOGEE T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.